Okay, today, Mr. Lion, I'm going to tell you a story. But unfortunately, I have to face this one. Okay. Oh, so I have to say it on this side. Okay. Once upon a time, there was a man named Quabbity. He was a gray koala bear who was about the same size as me and that koala bear over there. Yeah, that's him. Okay, that's koala bear there. He was going to school one day, walking along, and then when he saw a bush rattling, he's like, "What? What's in that bush? What is in that bush?" Then went over to look, and he saw a bunny. Oh my God! So then he brought it home, and he said to me, "Hey, old guy, who I really have no idea who you are. Do you want a bunny? For sale, only $2.99. And I said, "Well, why would I want a bunny?" He said, "'Cause it's cute and fuzzy, and you want one, so now you can have one." And I said, "No, don't. I don't want a bunny." He made me if I did. I wouldn't want one just from that. So from the wild, some random guy came knocking on the door. So we left, and he knocked onto my neighbor's door. My neighbor asked him to go inside.
Hey.
Yeah, for the picture. Okay, and so we went inside, and I was just watching to see what would happen. He went in there for quite a few weeks, but he never came out. This story will continue in Monkey Story about a guy named, what was his name again? I forget. I'll just watch this video over and remember his name. Yeah. So, bye. Whatever this video is called, that's what it's gonna call. Random guy named blank. And old monkey.
Hey, what's up? Hey, 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 lo, yo, oh yeah, yeah, oh, hello, yeah, hello, hey.
Say get out of the picture, man.